Mama, may I listen?
Now I want about this stinking dirty woman, you know. Mama want you to say that woman is a disaster, the worst than your wife. Remember my state, you know, I say, where you go with that dirty stinking mad the woman have 101 madness, you know. A mad woman this take up, you know, the woman delusion, you know.
Mama, which woman you talk
No,
about?
no. The woman mad,
Well,
a
I know,
mad
I owe this me I talk to from my phone. Yeah.
pussy that too.
Post, me I tell you something, Puss, in I real life, me I be really the Puss. You see that area, me nah do it. Me respect you
They
and
do it,
everything.
but
On a big man
yeah.
level, me see a class, me go a day
Yeah,
and
man, because I
class, me
want you
come.
about the
You
girl,
hear
man.
that? Post, me nah hide and talk in a real life, you been one about her.
All
But in a real
right.
life, you see how me see a class more day, Puss. Me never had a cut. On a big man
Yeah.
level, yes, in a real life, me should have go there. But at the end of the day, on a big man, I show you something
Yeah.
more in a real life. Me and her upon a live, and the live when
Mm-hmm.
me and her upon Post,
Yeah.
it was like, we just a whole of reasoning. You get what I say? You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And by me and her whole of reasoning and come off, me say she called me back. It's when she called me back, when she called me back, she turned to me and said, your wife they over there. I said, me you're there. And me I say, me I say a long time. My wife been and say that time, I been and tell my wife say nothing there between me and you. You understand? So she said, come. She said, go live, right? And when you go live, me go come for your live. You get what I say? So me I say, all right then, no problem. She said, all right, when I come for your live, me go talk like with it. Me say, you don't have to say nothing, me play along, you know the thing come down. I want to you. You get me? So anyway, when she go up on the live, when I go up on the live and she come live, she say me here the rating. Me say, yeah, me here there, me cocky in her pussy and it can't come out. So from that, everybody start run with
No,
it.
she.
Me and her.
No, she. But what she do?
Well,
What
the
what
internet,
she do,
watching
Dewey?
the internet start run with it, and she run.
Yeah.
All me that run
No,
with it. Everybody are running.
fair enough.
Mm-hmm.
Fair enough. But when me ask you what she do, you see the woman that go through a breakup, and you see, let me tell you something, you do not, when you see people vulnerable, you don't take the piece with them.
Well, me now
I
go
see,
hide and talk still in a puss. Me now go take myself out tight neither. You see me?
no.
You get me?
You hear me say no type no.
Me was a
It's
part type. Me now go tell you say
not
me
a
have a
full of me
part
attack,
type.
but when me
You
I say
understand?
what she do directly, she had dear the woman, she had take it for a game. When a month ago, PR man just said a month ago, and he ball.
Them business. I
All
want to you
right,
see
and in
that.
a
Them
vulnerable
business.
situation.
Them
And then
business.
did that cuss the woman, say, oh, the
Push.
woman, oh, you stay me there with
Push,
Dewey.
me I tell you something. Me I tell you something. All of this was a cloud. You understand? Even when she do the interview with my boy, you understand? You get me?
Tanisha,
Not
we supposed to know from me tell
Naris
Dewey
or
say
whatever
anytime I'm gonna
money.
bring her down.
Me no
Me I
come.
got
Me
the
can't
right
too
to
pronounce
top. You
him name.
notice Dewey never block me yet. No matter how me
Push
rub
me
out
ain't have
Dewey with
no
him
push.
and
Me
her.
ain't have
You
no. No
must
matter
do it.
of
I
fact, me
look
and
up and
nobody.
do
No,
it
me and
like but
nobody
comment.
in
Just to do it black
this
me.
business.
Do
Yeah.
it all
Me and them not have
it's
nothing.
left me
You
from the
understand
comment
me? I
do
say.
it. Anytime you're ready for this zero back, circle back, ankle back, duckle back. Mr. Me I go there the permit. Who not sleep? Yeah, start doing.
Mm-hmm.
But I tell you something, Dewey. Across this, that coming like say you set up yourself to feel. The girl is a feeler. You set up yourself to feel
Them
anytime you go
post pan a big man level like me say I love only for that year them good, you
back.
know. Them one cause them a say
That upon them, you give them the worst
them a say
thing.
me get beat up, them I can't tell a man this right now, pussy well. Anyway, one wanna see me and fuck with me you. Me I telling you this, a
Never
different
say I play
badness. Know
about
that.
no.
Cause me
I'm
not see
so
no trouble on you. Telling a girl for all her bumbo clock leash and love me fuck
no
alone.
PS you
Bumbo
know man,
clock.
cause she just the
Post
woman delusion.
watching a post cause I don't think this I do I get me irritated you know cause.
No
You see
entertain them.
me not entertain him, I come off of
Yeah,
this bomb buckler,
no
right? You
entertain
see
them.
me? Mama post, let's go and big up
Pick up
yourself, you
yourself.
hear that?
The rubbish pull out, give me 5, make me rub out the stinking dirty woman. T-bag. Oh, no. Mandingo, no. Bulldogger, no. Rotten that the blood clot, no. He's a disgrace. The things they gonna get queenie eye. Dirty stinking woman, loud the woman and her husband. Dirty woman, whenever I tell you stay. Even if I clout you did that look, you really get the clout and still not drop nowhere. Move your big turtle back blood clot. Move your blood clot is a bring down. Your workless not blood clot appear demon you drive up now your car but you have the Uber drive. Demon go man come move your rocker my baby all and go from here for dirty woman. Move. Your man not even there 1 week. And you run God one man of Florida. About 10 man focused since last year. Dirty stinking woman. Dirty waka bag blood clot woman. Germs bag. Dirty stinking woman. That's why I'm a rub out Dewey. Come here. So Dewey mix up with this because dirty mad blood clot dance it. Don't woman you want clout so bad. Move your blood clot and we will on there. Nasty woman. Super.
Mama, watch and look more now. You hear that?
Yeah. Thinking